y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How y'all out there doing today? It's a beautiful day outside. It is rainy, but you know we don't care about all that. I have for you today, first of all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry, y'all. I have Jambalaya pasta. Y'all, I can't wait to try this. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. I'm getting all them juices. I want all the juices on this pasta today. How y'all doing today? Y'all, it is beautiful outside. We don't let nothing get us down, right? My foodie fams. Ooh, y'all, come on.
What's in it? You can tell.
she always, because I'm so anxious, y'all, to eat this food. It's got shrimp, chicken, you know, it's pasta, so, and sausage, chicken sausage, because they don't sell pork, so it's chicken. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, let's sit up. Right. Put the hair back. It's time to eat. So, no, this did not just mess up my shirt.
And you better off not even touching it.
Oh, my word.
It came.
Oh, my.
Too good. You need a bib.
Mm-hmm.
Eat with darn bib.
I'm going to have to get me one, y'all. A bib. Oh, word. And it's spicy. Just the way. Tasting should be. Y'all, this good. Y'all, this is really good. No fooling. Hold on. We gotta get the hair back. You're messing with me right now. It's eat time.
That's eat time.
That's what that's what the kids used to say. Eat time. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at all the goodness.
I see it.
I'll share. Want some? Come on. I'm gonna give you some of the chicken, the pasta. Look at that. I don't know, that was a sausage. Tell me God ain't good. This food is good. When I eat, I swear. I'm fat.
You gonna give him a song of praise.
You know it, girl. You know it.
I know how they feel because my mouth is watering right now.
Oh, Shashawn, you want me to give you a bite, baby? You don't like spicy, so you can't eat this.
She always doing that. You know you. It's all right. Don't worry about it. I'm a big girl.
If she eat this, y'all, it's gonna be some sounds coming out of her. You're gonna be like, what the is that? That's your shoulder. Oh, Shashi, I forgot to get ice. No ice. Oh, you told me I need to drink water, didn't you?
Well, you didn't open up the pot.
Yeah, it's a Canada Dry. Ooh.
It came from the soul. cold.
Yes, baby. Yes. Y'all, I got a surprise for y'all today. So what's new, Shashana?
Well, the food you got came from somewhere I've never been before. So, and they have some real cool stuff. So, yeah, you'll see more dishes.
Most definitely, this food is so good. I will be back.
It looks really good. It looks really, you know, it was hot. You know with home cooked food because it stay hot till you get home. And
not out the microwave.
Yeah.
Yep.
And that food definitely did that.
But all this morning, y'all, we was just talking about gratitude.
Yeah.
Gratitude, which is lacking nowadays.
Giving back to.
People don't do that no more. Everybody got their hands out. That's all. Everybody want, but nobody want to give. That just don't work.
Like Lala, the comedian, she was on the BET. She was doing that interview, and basically she was like telling all of, I guess it was a group of comedian females or whatever. And it's like, there's no big secret we should be sharing amongst each other. It's enough room for everybody, but yet you feel like you want to hold back on something because it's your secret. And
you know what that is?
That's just crazy.
That's selfishness.
That's just crazy.
That's everybody. Y'all, it's enough out here for everybody. And it's nothing wrong with sharing. There's nothing wrong with it. Actually, nothing wrong with it. It's something about when I give back, I feel so good. I'm not giving back I'm not looking for a thank you from anybody when I do something. I'm not looking for it. It'd be nice if you say thanks, but if I don't get it, then that's fine too, because when I give from the heart. I give from the soul. And I teach my kids, if somebody asks you for something and if you don't want to give it, just say, I don't want to give it. But do not give it and then steady be harping about it. You did not give from your soul.
You gonna tell them about Mike?
Who?
Mike.
Who is that?
Man, you helped. When it was just getting cold out, like about, October or November, around that time.
Why? I don't have to talk about that. Whatever I do because I wanted to do it.
Well, what she did, we were coming out of a gas station, and this man...
No, I was going into the gas station.
You went in there, and then you came out. So she went in there, and she came out, and then he asked her, can I have
Let me tell the story, okay? Since she so want me to tell it.
Right.
Okay.
So either you tell it, or you let me tell it.
So, I was, I stopped at the gas station. What did we stop there for?
We were going for some chips.
Okay, yeah. Ooh, look at this. Look at that.
Ooh, it's a daily.
She know what it is, y'all. She don't cook. You know I have it in the cabinet. She knows. Ooh, give her a round of applause.
Yeah, she's trying to clown me though.
But anyway, yeah. Back to the story. So, can you warm this up for me, please? Please, honey. I love you so much.
My mother and my father.
So your days, amen. You gotta teach them. So anyway, I wanted some chips. So going in into the gas station, I seen him sitting, you know, by the door or whatever. It was kind of cold. It wasn't kind of. It was cold outside. And he was sitting there, you know. He was like, I'm cold. Can, you know, he wanted $1 or whatever. So, I didn't have any change. I told him, okay. When I get, oops, excuse me. When I come out, I will give you $1 on my way out. So, on my way out, I gave him $1. I stood there. I was talking to him for a little bit. He was like, he's really cold. A lady gave him a blanket, but it was so thin. I told him, okay, hold on. Don't move from right here. Stay right here. Do you understand me? Girl, y'all should have heard me talking to that man. I'm like, don't you move. I'm about to go home and come back. So I came home, found him a jacket and, you know, socks and all this stuff, pants, because he wasn't dressed right. So I found him some pants, jacket, socks, warmers. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. The whole 9 yards. I go back up there. I don't see this man. Boy! I looked in the, thank you, baby. I looked in the...
I don't get no more of that.
Ooh, you see that? I wasn't even finished with my food, y'all. Ooh, hell.
Tell them what it is. Tell them what it is.
I wish y'all had smell-o-vision out there. This is Hennessy Brownie, baby. You see that?
With caramel.
With caramel. Let me get the caramel. Because they even give you the caramel on the side, boo. So, anyway, he was in the, ooh, 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 ooh.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, y'all. Hold on.
It's got a little stuff in it. I don't even know what is that?
Because I told her to get the Hennessy Brownie. And I'm so jealous. She told myself to get it too.
You sure should have told yourself that. But anyway, whoo, look at that. Oh my word. Why you ain't bring me up a little salsa or something to put this on? So they could see it. Cause
just pick it up and push it to the camera.
I am. But it's...
Y'all want some? Because I know I want some.
No. Y'all know this is where it don't comes usums no more. It's just me. Now, don't act like y'all brand new. We've been going through this long enough. You know we can. Don't play that. Y'all know. Come on.
Finish the story.
Okay. So, he was in the... where was he at? Oh, he was in the bus stop. I got called. Oh. I went over there. And I dressed him. I sure did. And people driving by, they just are looking like, ooh, she over there touching him. I guess that must be what they're saying, but people is people to me. I don't care. I don't care. And I told y'all, it's one thing y'all should know about a Virgo. Virgos are loyal. We caring. We loving. Don't mess us over, because then, you know, the ugliness come out. But other than that, if you want a Virgo in your corner, let's just put it like that. We that. Yes.
Crazy.
We not crazy.
Crazy.
We a little bit cuckoo. We good peoples. We caring peoples. Y'all, I love Douce. And I love me some Henny. They say when I drink Henny, I act a fool. Don't care.
Yeah, you're not gonna eat all of that.
You a lie. Ooh, Shoshana.
Oh, y'all, I'm definitely about to steal that once you get to a certain...
No, she ain't.
I'm definitely gonna steal some. Yeah, but she was just... I was really proud to call her my mama when she did that. I was just like...
Was that the first time I helped somebody?
No, it's not the first time, but it's just like the way people were just staring at us, the way they were just looking at us, and there was this guy at the bus stop too with them, and they were just talking and stuff. We were all talking, actually, all four
He
of us.
thought that was my family or something. I'm like, no.
If he was family, he'd be in the house.
I said, no, he not. I don't know this man from nowhere, but we stood there, we prayed together, and I mean, his hand, he was, you know, he couldn't move his hands to, he just kept complaining, my hands cold. I had some, Shoshana had some hair warmers in the glove compartment for the hand and the feet. Child, I went down there, put a socks on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know, we need to, it just takes each one of us to help the other. We ain't got to wait on nobody. Just, if you see somebody in need, y'all, help. Help. Don't look for nothing. Don't ask for nothing. No, none of that. Just help. It's just do it from the goodness of your heart. I mean, how can you go wrong? You can never go wrong. You know what I'm saying? People ask me all the time, girl, I don't know how you do it. You know how I do it? It's because of who I am and what I am. It don't matter. I've been hurt so many times. People have done me wrong. And if I was to take what other people have done to me, I wouldn't help nobody. But, you know, I always ask myself, what would God do? And I said to myself all the time, if God was like us, hell, we would be in trouble. Because we hold on to everything. We just hold on. We don't never let go of the past. The past is the past. Let it go. Inhale. And exhale. Ooh, let it go. Move along. Move on.
And be happy.
Hello. Live your best life. I had when my two little grandbabies, Cassidy and Kobe, they always said, ooh, Miss D living her best life. I said, you daggone Skippy. I ain't gonna let nobody worry me. I ain't gonna let nobody know. I brush my shoulders off, baby, thank the Lord, and move on. If you wanna be mad, trust me, honey, that's on you. Don't care. Oh, y'all. This thing is sweet as hell, but it's good as shit. It's let me do that over because I know Shoshana go, Ma, can you please do a video without cussing? I didn't cuss up until this time, girl. But
oh, I see where you hit your head.
You do?
Yeah. She went and whacked her head.
I sure did.
What she whacked her head on? I have no idea.
I didn't. It was my fingernail, child.
Wow, she beating herself up.
I want my fingernail. It was crazy. Look at that. Look how good that is.
She giving y'all some. Oh, she's sharing.
I was telling y'all to look. No. Whenever we see each other, you can have your own. Let it go. Inhale. And exhale. Ooh, let it go. Move along. Move on.
And be happy.
Hello. Live your best life. I had when my two little grandbabies, Cassidy and Kobe, they always said, ooh, Miss D living her best life. I said, you daggone Skippy. I ain't gonna let nobody worry me. I ain't gonna let nobody know. I brush my shoulders off, baby, thank the Lord, and move on. If you wanna be mad, trust me, honey, that's on you. Don't care. Oh, y'all. This thing is sweet as hell, but it's good as shit. It's let me do that over because I know Shoshana go, Ma, can you please do a video without cussing? I didn't cuss up until this time, girl. But
oh, I see where you hit your head.
You do?
Yeah. She went and whacked her head.
I sure did.
What she whacked her head on? I have no idea.
I didn't. It was my fingernail, child.
Wow, she beating herself up.
I want my fingernail. It was crazy. Look at that. Look how good that is.
She giving y'all some. Oh, she's sharing.
I was telling y'all to look. No. Whenever we see each other, you can have your own. Mm-hmm. I got you. Whenever I see you. Oh, welcome to all my new subscribers. Let me give a shout out to Criss and